437 first flight refers to the inaugural flight of the futuristic aircraft seen in the film Oblivion, the Bubble Ship, designated as Model 437. This aircraft, piloted by the protagonist Jack Harper, played by Tom Cruise, represents cutting-edge design, combining advanced aerodynamics with a minimalistic, futuristic aesthetic. Its first flight, within the context of the film, was a pivotal moment, showcasing its agility, speed, and advanced flight capabilities, such as vertical takeoff, sharp turns, and hovering. In terms of design, the Bubble Ship draws inspiration from a dragonfly, with its dual-engine structure and spherical glass cockpit allowing for panoramic views. If you're referring to the real-world design and construction, the Bubble Ship was designed by director Joseph Kosinski with input from aerospace professionals to ensure that it looked believable yet innovative. It was created using a combination of practical effects, a real cockpit was built, and CGI for its flight sequences. Bubble Ship from Oblivion is an iconic futuristic aircraft with a sleek, spherical cockpit and twin rotors. To model it in Blender, you start by gathering reference images for accuracy. Begin with a UV sphere for the cockpit and use cylinders for the tail and engines. Extrude and shape the wings, adding smooth, aerodynamic curves. Focus on small details like the turbine engines and retractable landing gear. Apply metallic materials to the body and transparent glass to the canopy. For realistic rendering, use HDRI lighting to capture reflections, giving the ship its polished, sci-fi look. Bubble Ship, designed by director Joseph Kosinski and based on futuristic aesthetics, has a sleek, minimalistic design with an emphasis on smooth, aerodynamic shapes. Here's a general guide on how to approach modeling the Bubble Ship in Blender. The Pagurus, the Crabmaran, is an innovative amphibious catamaran designed by Italian architect Pierpaolo Lazzari. Nicknamed the Crabmaran due to its crab-like versatility on both land and water. It features a unique structure that allows it to navigate across different terrains. The Pagurus is equipped with rotating, screw-like cylinders integrated into the hull, enabling it to move on sandy beaches or even mud when out of the water. In the water, it functions as a luxury catamaran, with solar panels for eco-friendly power generation and a spacious, customizable interior for long, comfortable voyages. And a futuristic design that merges luxury with adventure. Ideal for explorers, it embodies versatility and innovation in marine engineering. SeaJet is a futuristic vessel designed for swift and smooth travel over water, combining both speed and sustainability. Equipped with advanced propulsion systems, it glides effortlessly across the sea's surface, powered by clean energy sources like solar or electric engines. The sleek, streamlined design not only maximizes efficiency but also offers a luxurious travel experience. Whether for coastal transport, oceanic exploration, or recreational use, the SeaJet represents the next generation of marine technology, seamlessly blending innovation with environmental consciousness. Whether used for transportation, exploration, or leisure, this vessel combines innovation and luxury, offering an unparalleled experience on the open seas. The Time Machine is a revolutionary device designed to transport individuals through time, allowing them to explore both the past and the future. Utilizing advanced technology, it bends the fabric of space-time, creating a tunnel that connects different points in history. With a sleek, futuristic design, The machine is equipped with precise controls to ensure safe and accurate time travel. Its energy source, a mysterious form of power, enables it to transcend the limits of current science, opening new possibilities for understanding the universe. A time machine is a concept or device that allows for travel through time, either into the past or the future. While it remains a part of science fiction, the idea has inspired countless stories and theories. Peraves MonoTracer is a fully enclosed motorcycle that combines the agility of a bike with the comfort and safety of a car. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, it features retractable outrigger wheels for stability at low speeds and a sleek cabin that offers protection from the elements. Available in both combustion and electric models, the MonoTracer provides impressive performance and efficiency while seating 2 passengers in tandem. It offers a unique driving experience, blending speed, style, and safety in a high-end, innovative vehicle. Peraves MonoTracer is a unique, fully enclosed motorcycle that blends the thrill of a bike with the comfort and stability of a car. Built by the Swiss company Peraves, it belongs to a class of vehicles known as cabin motorcycles or cabin scooters.